Hey everybody, Mike here with Cactus Crawlers RC, and I am back again with the Axial Capra. I put the stock wheels and tires back on it, which are the Nitto trail grapplers. You know, they're what you would expect out of an RTR tire to be. But they are brand new because I've never run this buggy with these wheels and tires. At the time that I was trying to get the Capra to conquer the impossible hill out there at the North Valley Wash, the best tire wheel combo that I had was the Proline Krawlers, and I was running them on the SSD stem steel wheels. Since then though, I have some better wheels and tires, and that's going to be the JConcepts Ruptures on these Injora aluminum wheels. These are like really great tires, and I don't know if y'all have heard anybody using them yet, but I was told when I got these that they are a cheat code, and I can testify that yeah, it is a cheat code. These are awesome tires. They don't look scale at all on the tread, but man, do they grip the rocks. I'm gonna put them on here. Let's check it out. Wow, look at that rig now. That looks awesome. I mean, these wheels and tires really go with this vehicle. Let's see how it sits off the block. Yes, I love the way it looks. That is so cool. All right. Well, the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to get this Capra out there. We're going to see how it does.